Best Beginner Cruiser Motorcycle Honda Fury. In the world of cruiser motorcycles, the Honda Fury stands as a bold and distinctive choice, igniting the passion of novice riders entering the realm of cruising. With its radical design, powerful performance, and a commitment to individuality, the Honda Fury establishes itself as the best beginner cruiser motorcycle. In this exploration, we delve into the unique characteristics that make the Honda Fury an ideal choice for beginners, offering a fusion of style, power, and an exhilarating introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. Avant-garde design language. At the heart of the Honda Fury's appeal lies its avant-garde design language that challenges traditional cruiser norms. The bike's radical silhouette, characterized by its raked-out front end, long and sleek profile, and a minimalist frame, sets it apart in the cruiser landscape. The Fury's design is a departure from convention, presenting a cruiser that not only transports riders but also makes a bold statement. The distinctive bodywork, coupled with carefully integrated details, results in a motorcycle that exudes an aura of rebellious sophistication. Honda's commitment to an avant-garde design in the Fury reflects the brand's understanding of the evolving tastes of riders, especially beginners seeking a cruiser that embraces individuality and breaks away from the conventional cruiser mold. Potent performance for thrilling rides. Powering the Honda Fury is a 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, delivering a potent performance that elevates the riding experience for beginners. The engine's displacement ensures that the Fury is not only a stylish cruiser but also a formidable force on the road. The V-twin configuration adds a distinctive rumble to the exhaust note, providing riders with an audible signature of power and performance. The Fury's engine is finely tuned to deliver smooth acceleration and responsive throttle control, making it accessible for novice riders while offering a thrilling ride that satisfies the desire for power. Honda's focus on providing potent performance in the Fury aligns with the brand's commitment to creating motorcycles that cater to the diverse preferences of riders, ensuring that beginners can experience the excitement of cruising without compromise. Ergonomics tailored for comfort and control. Despite its radical design, the Honda Fury does not compromise on rider comfort. The bike's ergonomics are carefully tailored to provide a comfortable and controlled riding experience. The low-slung seat, forward-set foot pegs, and wide handlebars allow riders to adopt a relaxed posture, ensuring comfort during both short city rides and extended cruises. The thoughtful ergonomic design contributes to the overall enjoyment of the Fury, making it an ideal choice for beginners who appreciate both style and comfort. Honda's attention to rider comfort in the Fury underscores the brand's commitment to providing a cruiser that not only captivates with its design but also ensures a comfortable and enjoyable journey for riders, particularly those new to the cruiser lifestyle. User-friendly features for novice riders. While the Honda Fury carries an air of rebelliousness, it doesn't shy away from being user-friendly for novice riders. The bike is equipped with features that facilitate a seamless and enjoyable riding experience for beginners. From the smooth clutch engagement to the responsive handling, every aspect of the Fury is designed to make the learning curve more gradual. Additionally, modern conveniences such as an intuitive instrument panel contribute to the user-friendly nature of the Fury, ensuring that beginners have easy access to essential information while on the road. The inclusion of user-friendly features in the Fury reflects Honda's commitment to providing entry-level riders with a cruiser that not only stands out in terms of design and performance but also fosters a positive and confidence-building introduction to cruiser riding. Agile handling for nimble maneuvers. Despite its long and sleek profile, the Honda Fury surprises with its agile handling characteristics. The bike's chassis and suspension are tuned to provide nimble maneuvers, allowing riders to confidently navigate through urban streets and enjoy spirited rides on winding roads. The Fury's handling combines stability at cruising speeds with the ability to navigate tight turns, giving beginners a sense of control and responsiveness that is essential for developing riding skills. Honda's emphasis on agile handling in the Fury showcases the brand's commitment to creating cruisers that are not only visually striking but also offer an engaging and responsive riding experience, catering to the preferences of riders at every skill level. Cultural impact and community connection. The Honda Fury has made a significant impact on motorcycle culture, establishing a community of riders who share a passion for its radical design and exhilarating performance. The Fury has become a symbol of self-expression and individuality, resonating with beginners who seek a cruiser that aligns with their unique style and attitude. The Fury's cultural impact extends beyond individual ownership, fostering a community of like-minded riders who appreciate the bold statement that this cruiser makes in the world of motorcycling. The cultural impact of the Fury reflects Honda's ability to create motorcycles that not only